Hello Imon, how do you feel?
I feel fresh and dandy. And you?
I'm pretty well. Why are you so long until you see?
Yes, my friend. I'm very busy.
Oh, I see. But why are you busy?
I'm very busy because I have got myself admitted in spoken English course.
Oh, good. I am thinking of learning how to speak English because it is very essential for our future.
Yes, we should learn English for a good job and higher education.
It sounds good, but there is no center for spoken English in our locality.
What did you say? You're wrong. There is a center in spoken English.
Really?
Yes, of course.
Could you please tell me the name of this institution?
The center name is English Point Palash. Where will you get the best service?
Okay, I will go there and attend this course, but when will the course start?
The course start on 30 November 2023.
Okay, dear friend, thank you so much for your valuable information. I will join the next batch on 30 November 2023.
Okay, you're most welcome and best of luck. Bye.